Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to add photo frame on any image without using third-party software in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here I'm using a Windows 11 computer, so if you're using an older version like Windows 10 or Windows 7 or Windows XP2, still this trick's gonna work. So here I'm gonna use the inbuilt application named as Microsoft Paint. So just open the Microsoft Paint and now just drag the image on it. So you can see here an image, right? So it does not have any frame on the side of this photo. So how you can add a frame or a borderline throughout this photo or image? So just press Ctrl A to select the entire picture, right? And you can just drag it to resize it just like this and just place it somewhere. You can resize more. And you can do one thing, you can select a rectangle shape by here and you can see here a borderline, right? Just click on it. Now just select the solid outline and just increase the size if you want to increase the size. And now just put your mouse cursor here. You can start from anywhere. I will just start from the left side and just drag it like this. So you can morely resize or put different colors on the side. Just select the color and you can see here a fill layout. Just click on it here and just you can fill it this way also. And there is one more way. If you want to make more colorful frames, then you can do one thing. You can select this straight line and just select a black and you can just put it this way. So let us make more stylish. Let me put it every corner. Now what I will do, I will select different colors, like say I will just select a blue and I will just select the fill color and I will just fill this area with blue and I will change this color with the yellow, say, and I will just select different colors. So you can see here I've got a different colorful photo frame on my respective images. So this is how you can easily add a photo frame on any image without using third-party software in Windows computer very easily. So finally, if you are done with your editing, then you can see your file. Just go to the file and you can just save it as a different file. You can save it as PNG, JPG, whatever you like. So I'll just select a JPG and I'll just give a new name, image edited, and I'll just click on save, click on OK. Now let us open this one. So you can see here we have got a beautiful looking photo frame on these images. So the original photo was this one and now the photo with a frame, you can see this one. So this is how you can add a photo frame on any image without using third-party software in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this very useful application named as Microsoft Paint, then definitely you should use it to add a photo frame on any image without needing to use the third-party software. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.